Parrot and Emperor Penguin couldn't sleep very well because of those loud noises. Now on TikTok channel, it's going to be Funny Birds Today.
I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. Oh,
I'm getting bored with those stuff. Nice and tidy. What? What's that under there?
here we
I love blues gangers. Oh, I'm tired after that night last night. Have you ever been sleeping? I'm just getting it sorted. I brushed my teeth. Let me see. Oh, good. Let's go to bed. See you in the morning. See you in the morning. Good night. Let's get this party ready.
Here we are.
Oh dear! What's that noise? Keep the volume down. Keep it down.
Fighting to survive in a war with the darkest powers.
What the heck is going on?
I see a little silhouette.
What's that noise?
When you do the fandango. Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, Galileo, Galileo Figaro. Magnifico! I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, sparing his life from this monstrosity.
Peacock!
Sometimes I get to feeling I was back in the old days, long ago. When we were kids, when we were young, things seemed so perfect, you know. The days were ending. reckless, we were crazy, we were young.
What's that
The sun was
noise?
always shining, we just lived for fun. Sometimes it seems
Peacock! Peacock! A dead person must be in a grave. Carry on moving. Peacock! Good morning. What's that? What's that noise? I'll have to go and find out. What? Peacock? How could you, Peacock? Peacock! 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 What did you do that for? Peacock! Peacock! Did you go and check it for Peacock? Yes. The black crow? Yes, I did. Oh, I'm tired. Let's go to bed. It's nearly night time. Oh, yes. Excuse me. I'm catching a cough. I see you at home. Yawn. I'm tired. Time for nappy time. Sorry, stop laughing, kids. I'm going to sleep in the bed. Right. I'm going to sleep in the bed too. Yes. In the morning. Okay. Thank you for keeping it silent from the noise, and I'll see you at movie time. Goodbye. Goodbye too. Good night. Good night too.